I am going to start light chapter of 10th class. So let us understand first light. What is light? Light is a form of energy. It is a form of energy, and it produces a sensation to our eyes. If our eyes are not functioning, then we can't feel the light. So light is a form of energy, and also it gives sensation to our ears, right? So if our eyes are having problem, unable to see, then there is no light. It is completely dark. Now, so that's why light is very important for us. Now let us see how light travels. Light always travels in the rectilinear propagation. That means light travels only in the straight line. See, only it travels in the straight line, right? So traveling in straight line is known as a rectilinear propagation of light. You can see from the window light is coming. Okay. So then what else? Reflection of light. So this is another property of light. This is first property and this is another property. So what is reflection of light? Say light is coming and he is able to see the book and everything. Let us understand as a say opaque surface. There is an opaque surface, right? That means light cannot pass through that. Opaque means light cannot travel through it. So this is an opaque surface. A light ray is coming and falling, and we call this as an incident ray, and PQ is an incident ray and Q is point of incident, and from Q it comes like this. So this is called reflected ray. So light reflects from opaque surface because it cannot go through it, so it will reflect back. So this green color ray, we call it as a reflected ray. So QR is the reflected ray, PQ is the incident ray, and Q is known as a point of incidence. At that point, if you draw a line, imaginary line, and this line is known as a normal. So at the point of incidence only you should draw. So Q is the point of incidence. So if you draw a perpendicular to this surface, then we call this line as a normal, right? Now the angle between the incident ray and the normal is known as angle of incidence. We will denote with I. Again, the angle between reflected ray and the normal ray, we call it as a angle of reflection. This is called angle of reflection. Reflection, please be clear. Reflection. So now let us see I is equal to R. Angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. Now let us know the laws of reflection. So from this diagram, let us understand what are the laws of reflection. There are two laws of reflection. The first law is the angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection, as I already said. This is first law. And the second law is incident ray, normal and reflected ray, three rays, all the three rays lies in the same plane. So they all lie in the same plane. So incident ray, normal and reflected ray, they lie only in the same plane. This is the plane. Let us, if you think this surface is a plane and all the three will be in the same plane. Okay. So these are the laws of reflection. Very important question in examination. You will get 100%. Write the laws of reflection. Explain with an example. We explain with a diagram. So you have to draw this diagram and you have to write these laws. I hope you have understood.